Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, memory module, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, trunks, thermal module, motherboard, speakers, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables around the display panel hinges for later replacement. Remove the display panel cable from the display panel hinge. Remove the three 2.5 mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the left display panel hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge is removed in the same manner. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel hinges.